I'm back here with Shamira, and I want to show you some chickens. We're at a farm. My brother Bryant. We got some cows over there and all of that stuff. Say hi! The kids say hi, they're shy. Woo! And we got some friends over there. They actually followed us when we needed to say something and they were leaving, so we had to leave. And we got some baby chickens that I can show you, but one of the boys are not here, so I can't show you.
I want to pet one of the chickens.
He won't allow. Oh, some cows. They're back there. Let me go show. And there's some chickens here. Oh my god, I just stepped in dirt. OMG. There's a dry land. Got some. Moo! Meow! You see? If you can see that, like, my face is really bright. And we're going to stay at our auntie's house today. We're gonna sleep over. It's a fun day. Okay. My auntie's over there packing our. We came here for chickens. And for us to see, like, stuff. Oh, we have to go. See you guys later. Hey, Brian! We have to leave. And I'm gonna say bye to the chickens. Bye! See you next year when we meet chickens. Oh my god, I stepped. We have to leave. The drink, they're having a blast bath. Ooh. Oh my god. And today, like, in the sun, my face is like really bright. And there's something that I should show you. These you can climb on. And come here so you can see the other chickens that I see. It's gonna be fun. If I drop this phone, I'm doomed. So, I don't know if you can come here or not. Hi! You just heard them.